Bacardi, Casa Bacardi in Cataño, Puerto Rico. So we're gonna check out the tour. I don't know if we had to have a reservation, so we'll find out. Okay, so we had to make a reservation for the Bacardi tour, which will be the legacy tour. We'll talk about the history of Casa Bacardi here in Puerto Rico, and that's gonna be pretty cool. So we have some time to kill. Right now it's about to be 12, and the tour is gonna be for 5:15. So we got here early, but it's better for you to have it already reserved and booked online before you actually come. You know, if it wasn't for that specific hour, we would not be able to actually do it. So make sure you have that reserved. Now, we came to Isla de Cabras. This is the first time that I'm here, and I tried to come here a couple years ago, but the gate was closed. I guess they closed at a certain time. So it's kind of like this peninsula area. It's really beautiful. They actually have a nice beach here, palm trees and gazebos everywhere on both sides, and then you have a beautiful view of Viejo San Juan, Old San Juan, from this side. And it's a different view. It's a view that you wouldn't really get if you were at Viejo San Juan, although the views over there are beautiful as well. But to get this picture, this view of Old San Juan, is actually really cool. All right, everyone, currently we are in Viejo San Juan. We're about to go to the Museo San Juan, the Museum of San Juan in Viejo San Juan, Puerto Rico. So if you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we can push these videos out to YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Let's check it out. So excited and so happy that the day is so much better. It was raining all over the island today, and we came from the south. We got here to San Juan, and now the sun came out, and it's gorgeous day right now. Great breeze for the heat. The heat did come up, but we have amazing breeze. Yeah. Okay, so the museum's actually free. That's pretty cool. Only have 2 exhibitions open though, so let's check them out. Okay, so that was really nice. Now we're going to the other exhibit that they have here. We're gonna check that one out. Pablo Picasso paintings here. All right, so we just got out of the museum. Was it worth it? It's free. It's free, so I would definitely add it to my itinerary if I can.
Oh, we also don't know because it's free. They only had 2 exhibits open. Maybe if you pay, you get a little more.
Well, that option wasn't offered, so yeah, just keep that in mind. So what I would do is I would just add it to my itinerary. You don't need to pay for it, and you can visit, so that's not an issue for me. Okay, so we are here in Casa Bacardi. As you can see back here, you're going to see the building, Casa Bacardi. We're going to find out about the history about it and all of that. But for right now, we're just waiting for them to call us. We have the tour for 5:15, as we mentioned earlier. Here's my wife, a little tired from the day, and look how much food she has eaten. Kidding, she's pregnant, right? So also, one thing that they gave us that is apparently included in the tour for the legacy tour, they give you these coins. We got 2 of them because obviously it's 2 people, and you can get a free drink on the house. I think they have about 4 different types. They have a mojito, I think they even have coquito, but some of them you would have to pay $4 for it. Regular price would be like $12, $13 for a drink, so you can get it for free if you get the free one, or if you want to pay for it, then obviously you're gonna have to pay. I never had a mojito before, so I might just try the mojito just to try it out. But I do not drink at all, and it's not something I like to do. My wife doesn't drink at all, so that's it. Okay, so here it is, mojito. Let's try it, first time. Oh, it's actually pretty good. I like it. Can't drink too much of it though. All right, time to go in. We're gonna go in this trolley. Let's see it out.
My name is Rogelio. If you cannot pronounce Rogelio, don't worry, don't struggle. Call me Roger. Avoid the headache for everybody. Well, you can see some spots on the palm trees all around us. You can see it in the plants and the buildings. Well, this dark matter originally was discovered in the 1920s. Today, this is known as alcohol fungus. You can find alcohol fungus nearby the distillation of alcohol. Our 50,000 gallon capacity tanks. Alcoholic fermentation is developed here every 24 hours. Water dilutes the melassa. The yeast consumes sugar particles. Now this is known as distiller's.
Pretty big building, right? But in the 60s, they opened up for the public, so they needed a space for their visitors to come. Welcome, visitor, to the center. Welcome, everybody. Now you know what the map means, right? Yeah.
So they have these little rooms where you can take pictures in. Pretty cool.
Superior maybe created everybody in this room, but that's a conversation for a different time. This is a blend of rums that started everything. This
You do get a glass of premium blend from the house, so we're gonna try it. Okay, so that ends the tour. You go to the gift shop. So it's a pretty cool tour. I recommend it for those of you that like to drink. I personally don't like to drink, but I still had a good time on the tour. So recommend it. Check it out. It was $40 per person, and a good hour. Good people, good tour. Right?
What?
What did you think about the tour?
I really liked the history. I think it was very interesting. I think it's probably not as enjoyable for me because I don't drink, but it was a great historical experience.
Great historical experience. All right, everyone, we're here in El Viejo San Juan in Puerto Rico, and we're about to eat in this Argentinian restaurant. It is called El Almacén Viejo. Right, it looks really nice in there, and we can't wait to check it out. I'm sure I'm gonna order some churrasco. I was looking at the menu earlier, and it looks like really good food. So can't wait to check that out. Obviously, we're in front of La Fortaleza, which is the governor's mansion in El Viejo San Juan, and the new governor is about to take possession in 3 days. All right, it's the 28th, so in 3-4 days we're gonna have a new possession, January 2nd, of the new governor of Puerto Rico. But anyways, we're not here to talk about all that. We're here to talk about this restaurant, so let's check it out. Okay, so we ordered La Parrillada Premium, which brings beef short rib, churrasco, and New York strip. So that should be really good. It's for 2 people. It's $86. It comes with sides. So we went with arroz con habichuela, which is rice and beans. And my wife got some gnocchi side, but you guys will see it once it comes out. We also ordered 2 jugos de parcha, which is 2 passion fruit juice. If you guys know me, it's my favorite. juice in the world. All right, so we're gonna try it out and let's see how it is. By the way, look at the place. It's really old San Juan style, right? It really looks really nice. Really, really nice. Check it out. All right, so I'm trying. I think this is a churrasco, if I'm not mistaken. It's juicy. It's soft. It's amazing, guys. Amazing. But it was very delicious. Left a piece of meat. It was really good. All right, so we finished up our meal here in El Almacén Viejo, and let me tell you, it was great. Only complaint was just that we asked for medium well. Came out medium rare-ish with medium well, so it was like a mixture of it. Food was great. I had a great time. I enjoyed it. Only thing is my wife is pregnant, so you know it's not so good for her to eat medium rare. But other than that, it was great. There's a lot of people here in San Juan, as you guys can see. As you can see, there's the gelato. Just look at the line of the gelato. Mama Anita's gelato. So a lot of people here. There's a concert going on with Elvis Crespo. So, you know, things are not going to be, you know, 100% when it comes to service. But nonetheless, great restaurant. I do recommend it. And if that happens to you where you ask for medium well and it came a little pinker than usual, just cut it up in front of them and say, hey, could you cook it up a little more? But other than that, wonderful place, wonderful restaurant, wonderful plates, and I recommend it.